Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can integrate Claude AI with your WordPress website. So this one is the AI tool and this one is the website. So first of all we need to log in into our website. Okay, that's good. Now I need to search for GitHub, WordPress, MCP, this one, and after that you will be redirected to this link. Scroll down, then select this one, again scroll down, after that select this one. Okay, we got the plugin. Now we need to go in website and install this plugin. This one, install it. Now plugin is installed. We need to activate this plugin. Then click here settings. Here we need to enable this one. Then scroll down. So these are optional if you want to enable. So now we need to go back to the users. Here you can see we currently have this user and this one is the administrator. So I can open this one. Then scroll down. Here we can create an application password. So here we need to add the user, and then we got this one, application password. Now let's go back to the Claude AI. Here you can search for this one for the PC. You can get it for the Windows, Mac and any of the operating system. Here you can see file is directly downloading for Claude. This one. On the top, click here, then file, settings, developer. So let me delete this one. This was the last one. After that, click here, edit configuration. So make sure that you have installed VS Code, Sublime Text and any of the compiler. Here you can go and search for VS Code for the Windows. So you can get this one. So why you need that? You need to open this file here. After that, here you need to go file, settings, then developer. Here you can see I have connected. You need to go here, edit configuration, then open this file. You can use this one, VS Code and any of the other compiler that you are using. So what I have done, just I have added this code here. How you can add this code? Just you can go back. For example, let me remove this one and then I can go here, documentation, then scroll down. Here you can copy this code. You can use this one. Also you can see this one is another code. You can also integrate using that one. So I can copy this one and then add here this code. Then after that, website URL is added. Just we need to go back, generate the token. So let me go back, authentication token. Then here you can select the time, for how many times you want to generate, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours and more. Generate the token. Just you can copy it and after that here you can go so you can remove and then add this one, file, then save. Now you can close it, and after that again this one, then again you can go and open this one, Claude, file, settings, developer. Here you can see that looks perfect. So now let's see how it works. How many plugins I have installed in my website. Website that I have connected using Claude. I'm asking for that. Okay, here you can see we got the information about the plugins. So now let me go back and check. Okay, that's fine. So now let me go back in blog posts and again ask it how many blog posts are published in this website. Always allow. Again, always allow. Okay, we have only one post, so that's fine. Can you tell me site title in website? Here we can go and then check the site title, this one. Can you update site title to digital marketing services? And for tagline, add anything, then press enter. Always allow. Okay, site settings have been updated. Now here we can go and update this one. Okay, that looks fine.